The question says write the coordination isomer of the given complex. For this given complex, we have to write a coordination isomers. And always keep in mind, coordination isomer is the isomer in which interchange of the ligands takes place between the central metal atom. Okay, between the two central metal atoms. Okay. If you look at the complex, we have Cu and it is what? NH3. In this case, ligand is what? Ammonia. And in case of platinum, what is the ligand? Cl4 is there. Okay. And when we carry out interchange, the coordination number of the central metal atom must remain same. Keep in mind, coordination number should not change. It should remain same. You can see in this case we have neutral ligand, in this case unidentate negative ligand is there. They will exchange their position. Okay. Cl will come in place of NH3 and NH3 will be there in place of Cl. So as a result we get this is what Cu and it is Cl4. Okay, you can see coordination number. In this case also, what is the coordination number? 4. Number of ligands attached to the central metal atom. In this case also coordination number is same. Now here we have platinum and in this case we get ammonia. Whole 4 is there. In this case also coordination number 4 is there. Okay. So it is the interchange of the ligands between the central metal atom. Between the central metal atom. Two central metal atoms should be there. One and this is the second. So they are interchanging their position. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.